Coming soon to theaters.
Go!
In coming up with the idea for Cars, it was like putting my two loves together, kind of for the first time. The two halves of my family, my mom being an artist and my dad being a car guy.
When the cars came off turn 4 and they're coming down to take the green, I said, boogity, 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 let's go racing, boys.
In 2004, the teaser trailer for Cars was first released if you bought The Incredibles on DVD. As the internet wasn't popular back in the day, no one really had access to this trailer unless if you saw Incredibles. So there was not really a huge hype for the movie when it came out, nor the fan base wasn't even created yet.
Hi, I'm John Lasseter. I want to tell you about our new movie, Cars. It's a very personal story to me because I grew up in Los Angeles. My father worked for an auto dealership, and I worked there every summer. It was fantastic. And so I've got motor oil running through these veins. I love cars, and I finally put my two passions together, cars and animation.
In 2005, there wasn't that much information. The only thing that happened was the start of a Cars website with blacked out images saying that the car show will begin soon, as well as a poster of a blue tarp over some red race car. No one knew what the plot was for this movie, but all that people knew was that it was like racing related and there were no humans on this earth, only cars with eyes and mouths. Very similar to the 1952 Walt Disney short, Susie, the Little Blue Coupe, which took inspiration for the making of this movie. 2006, before Cars came out, there was obviously a lot of promotion for this movie. A lot of trailers, a lot of merchandising, a lot of amazing merchandising, from the play sets to the die cast to what they did with Disney Store. Yeah, we can ignore about those. The website even had tons of stuff, like revealing characters each week, giving them like a cool 360 look, as well as a lot of computer games, from the tractor tipping to a tire stacking game. Lots of amazing stuff for this year. Even trailers for a video game coming soon. We'll talk about after the movie came out. Today was the day. It was the world premiere for Cars, and it premiered at the Lowe's Motor Speedway in Concord, North Carolina on May 26, 2006. All the actors showed up, all of the staff who worked on the movie, John Lasseter, even Brad Paisley, who wrote most of the songs for the movie, and the star Owen Wilson, Bonnie Hunt, Paul Newman, they were all there. And it was at a racetrack, which fits the movie very well. It was an amazing event. Of course, I didn't get to go because I was 4 at the time, but there was so much merchandising sold there, and it was just really cool. I was watching the videos while editing this, and I just thought, wow, that's so cool seeing like all the actors there in one place. But yeah, it was just a really cool event that happened that I don't think has ever happened again in Cars. I mean, sure, they've had red carpets before, but to this scale, I feel like it hasn't been this scale. And so many people were there. Even the late Paul Newman was there. They had a Hudson Hornet with decals like Doc Hudson in the movie. They had NASCAR race cars in like sponsors for the movie. It was just an amazing event. And of course, the movie came out June 9th everywhere else. This was the world premiere, but it came out for everyone else June 9th in theaters. And the box office, it did pretty well. It got like it did okay. To Pixar standards, though, it wasn't like the best. Because it got like 462 million, and that is a lot. But like, if you look at The Incredibles and Monsters Inc., they got like 600 million. Cars 2 even did better than this, but the reviews for this movie were really good though, and it was just wow. Watching the video, it was just kind of cool to see. This part is a little off scripted, but of the video, just because I didn't really know half of this stuff honestly about the world premiere, and it was pretty cool, honestly. But yeah, I don't really have nothing else to say about this portion of the video, but I'm just gonna let the music continue playing and let you see some of these clips for what happened during the world premiere. And if you want to look up these videos, I'll leave a link to these videos in the description so you can like hear what they're saying actually. Anyways, let's move on to AC After Cars. Well, I hope you enjoyed this first part of the however many parts I'm doing, probably 4, of this little series I'm doing of going through the years. I wanted to do this all in one video, but 1, I don't have time, and 2, I thought it'd be cool to upload a video, I guess, like the day each movie came out. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little first part, and it was really fun making this. Like, Cars has been my life for like ever. Like, I remember going to theaters to watch it, the first movie, when I was little, and I remember getting all the die-casts when I was little, and it's just meant a lot to me. And this video was really fun to make, and I can't wait to make more of these. Hopefully I can get the second part out soon, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, subscribe, and there's a description of everything you need to know about this. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.